Okay, so this is going to be a little bit of a quick unboxing thing, something I have for my TSX. So this should be a grill. So this should just be basically a brand new stock style grill. I was going to go Mugen style and all that, and I actually ordered one, and place just wouldn't ship it out. And so I just got a refund. I ordered a stock one, which I'm kind of glad I did, because now I'm sticking with the A-spec kit. And I always go crazy with the Hondas I owned, you know. My 98 Civic, I went Type R grill, Mugen lip. My RSX was a full Mugen kit. And then my EK hatch was Mugen grill, Mugen lip. So this time I'm sticking to kind of OEM type look, just simple, clean, you know. But the grill on my car is pretty crappy. So let's see what this one's like. So it's wrapped up. Yeah, the one on my car now, the previous owner spray painted black really badly, and the car was hit in the front. So the grill is broke and just looks like crap. So let's see if I can get this out here. So I just went and bought a brand new one. This is not obviously a OEM one, but it's OEM style. So you can see there, because everything's one piece. The OEM ones, this chrome piece is removable, and this chrome piece is removable. On this, it's all one. But yeah, it looks pretty damn good. So nice matte black in there. Just got to put the Acura logo on. It's got all the tabs. Hell yeah, so let's look at this better. Okay, there it is. So you can see, looks pretty damn good. There's a little something right there. I think that'll polish out. Just a little stain thing, but that should come off. Yeah, definitely 10,000 times better than what's on the car now. So happy with that. That'll look a lot better. And then with the new headlights that I re-cleared and everything, I'm gonna repaint my bumper and lip and all that stuff, so it'll look pretty fresh in the front now. There's the grill installed. So fitment is pretty much perfect. See, it's pretty flush, even little gap all around. I did fix my bumper as well. These cracks were really split open, so I plastic welded them from the backside, and that made the grill fit a lot better because the bumper was flexing too much. So I'll get a different bumper sometime, but put the emblem in. So yeah, that's way better. I'd say fitment's a 9.5 out of 10. So definitely worth it. Here's the old grill. So you can see it is broke right here. All the screws pulled through. I got it back in place decent. You can see the big, so this was sticking out like ½ an inch before, so it was horrible. But you can see too, like it's painted really crappy, and that's why I just went with a new one. So this is an OEM grill. None of the tabs are broke or anything, so I am gonna hold on to it because I can probably get it to fit in better, and I could just repaint it and just have a spare one. But that other grill is 100,000 times better to me, so